Good morning. Today I will discuss about standard for solar photovoltaic system. So there are some standardization for the solar photovoltaic system so that maximum current is to be obtained from the photovoltaic cell. So first one, that is photovoltaic standard, have been established in India by the Bureau of Indian Standards. So a BIS, it means that Bureau of Indian Standard, which set a parameter that the standardization of any system. Second one, that is for electrical safety and system reliability, photovoltaic device need to conform to IS 12389 established in 1989 regulations regarding photovoltaic parts. It means that a electrical safety system is to be reliable for the BIS system comes into the 1989 regarding photovoltaic parts. Third one, measurement of current and voltage is covered by IS 12762 in 1989 and IS 12763 again 1989, which deals with the electric characteristic of crystalline silicon cells. We know that the Bureau of Indian Standard established for the measurement of the quality of particular either device or a system that which is work for the energy generation, either power calculation. The advantage of the photovoltaic system, there are various type of advantages in photovoltaic system, such as first in number of operational cost, second low maintenance, third these system are durable, fourth more flexible is available in solar photovoltaic system, and fifth these system are eco friendly. So there are various advantages for photovoltaic system. It means that no operational cost in the photovoltaic system, very less maintenance is required because no moving part in the photovoltaic system. These systems are very durable because no maintenance or no moving parts is there. These systems are eco-friendly. It is a major advantage of the photovoltaic system that human hazards phenomena are not be there in the photovoltaic system. Next is the limitation of the photovoltaic system, as well as while advantage of the photovoltaic system, some limitations for this system. First one is low efficiency, because when the electron doesn't charge in a huge velocity, then the energy obtained by the photovoltaic cell is minimum, so it is less efficient. Second one is weather dependent. It is a very major disadvantage for photovoltaic system that it is totally depend upon the weather dependent system, because in the summer the sun radiation intensity is very huge in compared to the weather where the intensity of the sun is less in weather condition. Third one is the installation cost is more. In the first phase, while the establishment of the installment of the photovoltaic system, that the cost for the first setup is to be high. Applications of the photovoltaic system. There are various applications of the photovoltaic system where different uses, so as much needed, there are different necessity of the photovoltaic system, such as a first one is the solar street light. We know that the functional movement on the road, that is totally governed by the solar street. So nowadays we change the total manual electrical system by the solar street light system. It comprises of a compact fluorescent lamp to 35-watt solar array and 80 amperes hour tubular cell battery. So in a solar street light, in the afternoon when the sun rays comes on the photovoltaic cell, then it converts into the form of energy, and a battery is to be attached in the solar street light. Whenever the energy is to be obtained by the solar photovoltaic cell, then energy is stored in a battery, and this battery is to be used into the night when the light is to be required. This one is the PV array. We know that array is the collection of the module when the number of is this one is the cells are arranged in a form of collection, and this is called as a PV array. So this figure is for solar street light. In the second, that is home lighting system. There are two types of home lighting system. First, there are the most popular solar PV unit, typically designed to work with two light points and one TV point. Home lighting system, generally nowadays there are various plates, photovoltaic plates, which are used for the home lighting purpose, such as two bulb, one TV, either one fan may be operated by the solar system. So home lighting system is also be there. Second one, when necessary, a small DC fan can also be run from this system. So a small power of fan that is into the form of DC, that is to be obtained from the home lighting system. Third one is water pumping system. In water pumping system, it is another important application of photovoltaic system. These systems are mainly employed in small areas for agricultural applications where power is not available easily and economically. We know that in villages, in the agricultural applications, there are various regions in the village that no electricity supply on particular that areas, by which we make a system by the water pumping method. By this we use as a agricultural system, because that the pump is to be operated by pumping the water and supply into the total lands. So these are the figure, that this is a PV array, this one is the battery box, this is the pump, this is schematic diagram of solar water pumping system. So in this figure we know that when the rays comes in the afternoon, then the energy is stored in the battery box. Whenever the requirement, that the pump releases its energy and it operates by the movement of the motor, and the power is to be obtained so that we pump the water. So these are the various types of the applications for the photovoltaic system, such as solar street light, home lighting system, water pumping system. So in the advantage of photovoltaic cell, limitation of photovoltaic system, and applications of photovoltaic system. So in the university exam, a question may arise that write the applications, advantages and limitations of the photovoltaic cell. So in this way we can explain the different types of advantages, limitations and applications. So these are three main applications: सोलर स्ट्रीट लाइट जो कि रोड पे यूज़ करते हैं, होम लाइटिंग सिस्टम जिसके थ्रू हम एक टीवी का पॉइंट या दो बल्ब यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और हम एक फ़ैन को भी मूव करा सकते हैं जिसके थ्रू हमें डीसी वोल्टेज, ए स्मॉल फैन डीसी फैन कैन बी ऑपरेट. Water pumping system, it plays a vital role because there are various locations where the lighting system is not to be there, so this method is used to pump the small power is to be obtained by the solar pumping system. Okay, thank you.